The big question, why retouching your photos? When capturing a place, you've some control over the composition, the light that comes in, the subject, the framing, but the camera itself captures a reality that is quite objective. Retouching is where you bring your soul into the photo. You infuse your vision, the emotion you felt in that moment. The photo retouched become as you saw it. So retouching a photo is sharing your vision. Retouching gives you the freedom to add authenticity to your photo. So here, this is how I see retouching for travel photography. Now be careful, here we are talking about travel photography. It might not be the case for retouching for commercial, for portrait and things like that. So here we are really talking about travel photography. For me, retouching, it's a step that allows you to infuse your soul, to infuse who you are inside your photo. And if you are able to do that, you are able to create your own style and to create something that is a part of you. So I think this is why you should retouch your photo, to add your vision to your photos.